Hi everyone, it's Gretchen here, Possum Fun and Frugal. If you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe if you like my videos. I am back working on my van again. I've got a few more things done, getting it travel ready. So I wanted to share that with all of you. And like I said, if you're not subscribed already, if you are, thank you so much. It's really helping my channel. If you're not, I really appreciate, I know a lot of you are watching and you're not subscribing, and so I really wish you would if you're enjoying it. It really helped me out. I definitely try to subscribe to all the ones that I watch. I think it's, kind of fair that if I'm going to spend the time watching their videos, I should subscribe and help them out. So anyway, I would really appreciate it. I would love for this channel to get a little bit somewhere. It may not be the best content, but I'm trying. This is not really my thing, but I wanted to share some stuff with you guys, and I know this van life stuff is pretty popular. I have a pretty cool minivan, a no-build build in my minivan that I've done myself. This is like the third time I've changed it around, and I want to keep you guys posted on what I'm doing with it. So check it out, and you can hit the bell if you want to keep getting notified for my new videos. I'm going to keep posting videos as I go along and making the changes and getting ready. And at some point there'll either be a small camping trip, or I will be taking you along with me on my next RTR trip. So stay tuned. So here we go, out to see Ruby. And as you can see, the front of my minivan is pretty much basic, except for the addition of the pet car seat carrier. Pet car carrier, whatever it's called. Anyway, that's going to be either for Cersei or Sparkle. And I now have the bed all set up. My ice chest is in there. And I put some of these things, keeps coming out. Here's my kitchen and miscellaneous stuff. And my cooker, Road Pro cooker, is right there, ready to go. Got my sheets, got flannel on for cooler weather. And all covered up with lots of blankets, pillow. It's actually a pillow, is my extra towels in that pillow. And there is my porta potty. Oh, and the sound you heard is my cell phone getting text notifications. So that's all ready to go. I have a couple more rugs I want to put in there, which you'll see in a minute. So I've almost got my van completely redone. I've added some extra rug layers. I like to put layers so that if I have any kind of spill, I can catch it quickly before it goes through the layers. So I have 1, 2, and then this layer is like the bottom, and it's pretty leak proof. So, I won't ever get anything going all the way through. And it's easier to vacuum up crumbs or take the rug out and shake it out if I spill any food. I got my toilet back in here, all the stuff inside. I know everybody's curious about the potty, so I'll show you how I have basically a bathroom kit. This is a little big for what I really need, but I like it because I can store all my bathroom supplies in it with the toilet, with my bucket. So I have the bucket with a pool noodle for a toilet seat cushion, so I'm not sitting right on the edge. And this leaves enough for me to wipe without little space to wipe. And there's my pee bucket, my pee bottle. That would go right here to pee in. I keep forgetting I have a funnel I need to put in here. And then I have a small one for toothbrushing. And then I have another pee bottle in case I don't know, in case I need another one for whatever reason. But I have a separate one for brushing my teeth and, teeth brushing, water. And then, of course, I have this sort of like the handy stuff that I will need if I use the toilet. And I forgot I have to get my little toilet paper cover. It's really cute. I'll show it to you in a minute. But this is a new setup. And this is if I'm sitting inside. I have a couple more bins to put up here when I do get on the road with odds and ends, and my little underwear box goes up here, so socks and underwear. So So I am pretty close to being all set. In here I have an emergency radio, some extra emergency lights, and I think I'm gonna have to move in fact, I think I'll do that right now. I don't know if I can do that one-handed. Let's see. I'm taking this apart. So now I need to hook this up over here. And what I do is tie it on with a couple of bungee cords. There. So that'll be easier. That's pretty snug. Shouldn't go anywhere. And because can cook right here. My little space I have a little table that I can pull out here, set up right here, do a little cooking inside if I need to. Or I can slide my toilet over, put this away. I can also just slide this all the way over and have it here if I want it, and use this for a table or a seat. And I can use that whole area if I want to cook over there, or have this out of the way to get my camp stuff in and out on that side. I have a mirror and a towel handy. And there's I really like this cargo net thing that I got from Amazon, of course. It holds all extra jackets, neck pillow, dog's jackets, and my hat, my sun hat. And you can see this is where put my food. Right now there's not much in there. I have to clean it out because some of that's kind of old. And all my cooking supplies. And odds and ends, tools and things for fixing stuff. And there is my bed. I can sleep this way, or if I'm parked with a good view, better than my park right now, I can sleep the other way, and I can put the head of this up. It reclines. So that would be nice if I have a nice view. See, this is pretty torn up already from the dogs, but that's okay. That's what it's for. And put my fan. I took down my fan so the camera could see. I got these at the thrift store for $3. They're battery operated. And the batteries are dead. Here's another one. The other one. So I think I'm due to get some new lights. I have my fairy lights, but they're starting to fall apart. So here, these little things keep coming off. But the lights still work, so. And these are wires, so I can kind of fix it a little bit. That's better. This gives me a little ambiance inside the van. Then I have better lights for when I'm doing things. So, and I was going to show you, Circe will have her own little doggy car seat, and maybe Sparkle someday will be using that too. Okay, put my toilet my potty back where I like it. And I just have a little walkway to get in. And that's all set up for now.